how to sign out of YouTube TV on smart TVs and mobile. Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video, we'll show you how to sign out of your YouTube TV account on both smart TVs and mobile devices. Signing out is a good security practice, especially if you're using a shared device or experiencing account issues. Let's get started. First, let's look at how to sign out on a smart TV or streaming device like Roku, Fire Stick, Apple TV, or game consoles. Open the YouTube TV app on your smart TV or device. Navigate to your profile icon. This is typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Using your remote, select your profile icon. A menu will appear. From this menu, scroll down and find the option that says Settings. Select Settings. Within the Settings menu, look for an option related to your account or signing out. It might be labeled Membership or simply Sign Out. Select Sign Out. You may be asked to confirm that you want to sign out. Confirm your choice. The app should then return to the sign-in screen, indicating you have successfully signed out. Now let's look at how to sign out on a mobile device like your smartphone or tablet. Open the YouTube TV app on your mobile device. Tap on your profile icon, which is also typically in the top right corner of the screen. A menu will pop up from the bottom or side of the screen. In this menu, scroll down and find the option that says Settings. Tap on Settings. Within the Settings menu, look for the option related to your account or signing out. It might be under a general section or labeled Account. Tap on the option that allows you to sign out. You may be asked to confirm. Confirm that you want to sign out. The app will then sign you out of your account. We hope this video was helpful in showing you how to sign out of YouTube TV on different devices. If you found this tutorial useful, please give the video a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful guides.